How to fix Messenger sound not working. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger sound not working issue. If you are experiencing issues with Messenger sound not working, here are some steps that you can follow. First of all, ensure that the volume on your device is turned up and not muted. Also, make sure your device is not in silent or do not disturb mode. You can also check the sound settings in the Messenger application. For that, you'll have to open your Messenger application first. Once you have opened your Messenger application, make sure you are logged into your account. Now on this interface, you will find 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. Tap on it to access the site menu. And from that menu, you will find the gear icon. Tap on that gear icon right next to your profile name to enter the setting page. Once you reach to this section, scroll down until you find this notifications and sound option. Then tap on it. Here make sure the notification sounds are turned on. For that, you'll have to toggle this button to switch it on. Also ensure that the Messenger application has the necessary permissions to access sound and notifications. You can also check this in your device settings. For that, you'll have to open your device settings and under the settings section find the application option. Under applications, find the Messenger application. Once you have found it, tap on it to open it. And there you will find notification. Tap on notification and make sure you allow this notification. Here at the right side, you will find a toggle button. Tap on it to switch it on. It will also activate the alert mode so that you could get the notification and sound whenever you receive any messages or reminders. So after doing it, restart your device and also restart your Messenger application. Then you can easily fix Messenger sound not working problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.